Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TRB. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern. And I would also like to share with you this recent up channel that is formed on the daily time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TRB that I shared a few days back on 22nd of September. And so far, it has produced almost 113% rally. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TRB that I shared almost 10 days ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that TRB formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. You can see when I shared this idea, it was moving inside this buying zone. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone. And so far, it has rallied more than 113%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description. You can find there. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of TRB. And this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that it is moving very well between this resistance and support of this up channel. Right now, we are about to test the support of the channel, but there is a critical thing because we have a double bearish divergence here on this daily time frame chart. Like, and you can see that the price end formed this high here, and the next high is higher than the previous one. And if we take a look at the stochastic, then you can see it is not able to do so, and it is forming lower high than previous high, and even RSI is also forming lower high than previous high. So there was a double bearish divergence. Therefore, the price and got rejected by the resistance of this channel, and this up channel is in fact a bearish reversal or bearish bias pattern. Therefore, there is a probability that the price and may break down the support of the channel. By the way, if it breaks down the support, then the target is quite down at the bottom of the channel, that is approximately at $10. But on a weekly time frame chart, we have already broken out a very, very big falling wedge pattern. If the price line drops down at $10, then it can again retest the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. But in my point of view, if it breaks down this channel, then it can drop down to retest this long-term resistance that can now work as a support for the price line, and that is at $46.50. And you can see that here it was working as a resistance, and here for several weeks it has been working as support, and here it was working as a support as well. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, and that move is by the way still due. You can see that from this low to this high, so far it has rallied 795%, almost 800%, but could not hit the target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern so far. And that target is at the top of the wedge, that is between $165 to $170. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description. You can find it. Take care. Goodbye.